All right, to wrap up this video, just want to show you guys I did end up extending the harness. This would be for, actually this is unraveling, so I gotta fix that right there. These are for the mass airflow, the throttle body, this goes right there. The other side of the throttle body goes right there. And well, I should have a new plug for the coolant sensor. And I think that was it. For the coolant lines, I'll show you guys, I'm working on some silicone lines. So for my coolant lines, I have I found some silicone line kits, just universal. They had a couple 90-degree bends in it, so I'm trying to get things situated with that. As you can see, well, I got the one down there that's going to run over there. And then the other one, that bad boy right there. And see that gap in between those two are gonna meet. I do have a 90-degree elbow. I'm gonna drop in right there. And that's gonna be a great match. So that way I'll be able to keep my heat. In other news, all that gray smoke that we saw piling up towards the rear of the motor, that was just coolant that was sitting on the exhaust that had spilled when I was draining everything out. The noise that we heard, that whistling noise, that didn't come from the supercharger, it came from somewhere else, either a vacuum or a boost leak, but most likely because I didn't have all of the bolts fully secured to the manifold. I'm pretty sure that was it, or it came out of that, which is open. And I also thought it may have came out of those two tiny screws down there. There wasn't screws in there before, it was just empty holes. So I plugged them with a screw and some silicone. So hopefully I'll get that sorted out pretty soon. You're gonna find the correct belt for the 3.65 pulley. This is the 2.9 pulley. So that belt fits this, but I need another belt for the other one. I need to make an intake. So I'll definitely be doing that next video. I'm just gonna run it plastic intake. I'll show you guys all that. I'm trying to get it down here, down to where the air inlet was before. So I'll try to get that situated sometime soon. Thanks for watching, as I almost trip on my stool. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys think about the color of the supercharger. I'll see you guys next time. Appreciate it. Take it easy.